You talking into the tube, Dan? Too distracted now. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, you're doing the head shaking now. No, you're not going to say hi? No? This is a new thing you started yesterday. Dan? Are you shaking your head? Shaking your head? No? No? Silly.